गोवा प्रोफेशनल लीग साळगांवकर स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान जिखलो. साळगांवकरान सर्वोदयाक 313 रनांचें टार्गेट दिल्लें, पूण निमण्या दिसा सर्वोदयाक ताणें 161 रनां भितर गुठलायले. साळगांवकरान 151 रनांनी जैत जुळ्ळें. साळगांवकराच्या करण शर्मान फायनल गाजयली. ताणें निमण्या दिसा 5 विकेटी जाल्यार पुराय मॅचीक मेळून 10 विकेटी काडल्यो.
Very exciting, very happy. We have been working on this for, I'll say, a month before auction took place, and also we were looking out to build up a team which is well balanced, but having a strong local base. And we were lucky in auction we could get Sahil, Sagun, Saurabh. They made a big difference in the team. And I'm very happy, especially the outstation which have come, 2-3 boys which we have taken. Vishal Singh, Karan Sharma, they had done a wonderful job, and also it has been a complete team effort. Not only players, the people who are looking after them, and the coach, assistant coach, and other people who are taking care of the team.
An early finish, and so it was. We had too much of confidence in our bowlers, and wicket was behaving. From yesterday itself, it was turning a bit, and I thought if we could get early wickets, and it would be an early finish, and it ended up as early as I didn't expect this to be so early, but it ended up early today. People take me not because as a leader, people take me as a batsman, and I always want to deliver whichever team takes me, and it was always an honor for me to lead Salagagar, such a great side, such good team, such good players in the side, and it was a kind of easy for me. Sometimes, people want to do well in this team, and we have done well this side.
3 and a 10-wicket haul. Could you have asked for anything better in the final?
No, it's good for me that I came here. I came for the first time here to play matches, so just want to play, give my 100%. That's my main aim. We have a plan that we have to play full day and try to get as many runs as possible, because in the second innings wicket is not easy to bat, so we had a good chance.
Can we see your action? You're a little bit like Steve Smith, Shane Warne type action. Are they somebody you look up to?
No, it's my own.
तुमकां ह्यो खबरो चुकल्या आसत जाल्यार आमच्या www.prudentmedia.in वेबसायट वा ट्विटर अकाउंट प्रुडंट गोवा वा www.facebook.com/prudentmedia ह्या फेसबूक अकाउंटाचेर मेळटल्यो. इतल्यान हे खबराचें हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया. नमस्कार.